Most people are using ChatGPT in the wrong way to learn a language, and it's slowing down your progress. So here's how to do it correctly. Many people open AI and they ask a random question, and then they close it again and say, well, I used it, but you didn't. You didn't even try it. You just visited it, which is not the same thing. Now, if you want to progress using AI on a daily basis, 10 minutes can make all the difference. Now, here's a really simple routine that you can use. 3 minutes of reading. So you ask for a small English text about travel, food, or anything really that you enjoy. Then read it out loud. Then you have 3 minutes of speaking. So you can say, ask me some questions in English. Then answer aloud. It doesn't matter if your answer is messy or you muddle up your vocabulary or your grammar. It's still practice. Then 2 minutes of writing. 5 sentences about your day. Ask it to correct you. See if you've made any errors. And then 2 minutes of vocabulary. Ask, for example, teach me 5 sentences that I could use. Now that makes up 10 minutes. You can do this on a daily basis, and compared to studying an hour a week, it really does win over. Going on a daily basis is so much better. And why is that? Because language lives through repetition, through familiarity, through regular contact. But be careful. I don't want you to become lazy. I don't want you to just read those answers silently. That doesn't work. Speak and repeat and write and really interact with language. Get excited about learning English. Get excited about what you're doing. AI works best when you work too. You don't need to have perfect conditions. You don't have to be really good at English. You just need to be consistent. 10 minutes a day can change your English forever. And you'll see, you will progress, but use it correctly. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments down below if it's useful or if you've had problems with it, and I'll help you. I'll help you figure out where it is you're going wrong. This really does help. I've used it over and over with my students, and it's a brilliant way of using AI to help you practice your English. I'll see you next week in the next episode. Bye for now.